Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to upgrade my old drive to an M2 SSD, no data loss and get much faster PC. First, get a M2 SSD and install it on your computer. If you have an extra slot available on your computer, just unscrew and remove the chassis side panel. Find the long M2 slot on your motherboard. Insert the M2 SSD at a 30-degree angle until fully seated, then press it down gently. Never force the drive. Secure the SSD with the screw, do not over-tighten. Fit the heatsink for better temperature control. Physical installation is done. But your PC won't detect the new drive yet. Right-click the Start menu and open Disk Management. Initialize the disk with GPT partition style, create and format a new volume. Now you can clone the old drive to your M2 SSD. iSunshare CloneGo is used here as the old drive cloning software, which can copy everything from your old drive to your new SSD. It is simple and clean. After the cloning, you can directly boot from the new SSD, without reinstalling Windows. Now, you can start the SSD cloning process. Open CloneGo. From the main interface, choose Disk Clone. Now select your current old drive as the source disk, and choose the new SSD as the target disk. Double-check that you've selected the correct destination drive, because all existing data on that SSD will be erased during the cloning process. Once everything looks good, click Start to begin cloning. The software will copy your Windows system, programs, settings, and personal files to the larger SSD without reinstalling anything. Once the cloning process is complete, you can resize the M2 SSD partition. Right-click the Start menu and open Disk Management. You will see there is unallocated space on the M2 SSD. Right-click it and choose to extend the drive. Now you can see everything is cloned to M2 SSD and there is more unused space on it. Alright, power off the computer. And remove the old drive from your computer. Then start the computer. You see, the computer boots smoothly and faster with the same Windows OS. Everything is exactly where it was before, just with more available storage. And the M2 SSD is now the system disk. That's all. I will see you in the next tutorial.